Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Quick reminder for those of you who have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification for latest updates. Today's video will be a paratha made with fenugreek leaves, boiled potato, whole wheat flour and a lot of Indian spices. Aloo methi paratha. The necessary ingredients are 2.5 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 bunch of finely chopped methi leaves, 1 medium sized boiled potato, chili powder 1 tablespoon, hing or asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon, ajwain or carom seeds 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, oil 3 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, zeera powder 1 tablespoon. Firstly, let's get ready with the dough. Add about 2 cups of whole wheat flour in a big bowl. To that add salt 1 teaspoon, zeera powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, hing. I had just forgotten to mention these ingredients in the beginning. Ginger paste 1/2 teaspoon, garlic paste 1 teaspoon and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Give all this a good mix so that the salt and the spices spread evenly through the dough. To this add 1 medium sized boiled potato. Adding boiled potato will balance the bitterness from the methi leaf. Make sure you thoroughly wash those and finely chop them. With the help of your fingers and palms, crumble the potatoes and methi leaves along with the whole wheat flour. Now by adding little water at a time, make this into a soft and smooth dough. The better you knead, the soft will be the dough and the parathas will turn perfect. Methi leaves are high in iron, calcium and a good source of omega-3. Once the dough has been kneaded, take about 1 tablespoon of oil and knead it once again by following the punch and roll method. As you can see, the dough has been kneaded well and it is soft. Grease it with oil on the outer side of the dough and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. When the goodness of methi leaves, that is fenugreek leaves, mixed with whole wheat flour and balanced with potatoes, it's a perfect combination for a healthy breakfast. It's 15 minutes now. Let's open it and just punch it back again. Just grab a dollop of it. This dough makes about 8 parathas. With the help of your palms, make it to form a loaf. Coat with dry flour or sukha atta. Using a rolling pin, roll it up to 5 inches. You don't have to worry about the shape as we are going to make it into a box shaped paratha. Now it has been rolled perfectly. Grease it with a tablespoon of oil. You can also use ghee or butter. Methi leaves have a vast beneficiary qualities, like it lowers the blood cholesterol. Now sprinkle 1 pinch of carom seeds or ajwain seeds over the paratha and another pinch of sukha atta or dry flour. Fold this as shown in the video to make a box shaped. Dust it back again on the whole wheat flour and roll it. Methi leaves also help in controlling diabetes and aids digestion. They also help in reducing the menstrual discomfort. As you can see that our paratha has been rolled out well. Let's keep this aside and move on to the next ones. As kids, no one would definitely like to eat green leafy vegetables. Repeat the same process with left out dough. So all the mommies out there, don't miss to try this out for your kids. My daughter really enjoyed it and she had it with mayonnaise. I served it with a yogurt dip. Just take 1 cup of whisked yogurt. Add in some zeera powder, some red chili powder, some salt and some chaat masala to it. Grease it with oil Sprinkle ajwain or carom seeds, also called as omam in Tamil. Dry flour or sukha atta. Fold it to get a box shape. Roll it. The second paratha has been rolled out. Let's get them cooked. Heat up a tawa or a pan. Once the tawa has been heated, add in the methi aloo paratha. Cook it in a way as you cook any other paratha. By flipping onto the side, apply some oil. Get it cooked until it's golden brown on both sides and cooked well. Make sure to keep the flame on medium. You can substitute oil with butter or ghee. As you can see, the paratha has been cooked well. Let's get that out. In the same way, let's make the second paratha as well. By flipping it and greasing the oil on both sides and until it turns golden brown. Yes, it's getting perfectly done. Let's wait and get it out on a plate. As you can see that it's extremely soft. That is because we had added potatoes in the dough. Enjoy this with a yogurt dip or even the achar or pickle of your choice. Don't miss to try this out for your family and friends. Combining the goodness of methi leaves, whole wheat flour and Indian spice. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes on Aziba's Cuisine.